Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Hassan. It's been a long time since I uploaded videos because I became father and I was too much busy. So today I turned on my camera because one of my friend, Kazi Shahriar Hassan, is going to treat me a cup of special tea from Chilora. So Chilora is a place which is located in Chandina. Let me clarify it. So Chandina is a thana and Kumilla is a district and it is located in Chandina. So I'm ready to go now, and within a while we will emerge. I will emerge out of my home towards that place, and after that we will uh, spend our evening time in a greenish place, and that place is too much astonishing. Okay, stay tuned with me. So my friend and I are going there on my bike. My friend Kazishariar Hassan is capturing the beautiful landscape, and the weather is amazing because of the cool breeze today. Moreover, after 5 days of heavy rain, we were finally enjoying the sunshine again. So let's enjoy the ride. Now we have finally arrived in our destination. This is the tea stall. It looks so old, I think. See, this is fresh milk with a layer of cream on top, which we call malai. He's making malai tea for us, and it looks absolutely delicious. It's ready to drink. Let's try it. We said it. Truly, that tastes so delicious, but I can't give the expression like Rafsanda Chotobai and others. Yes. As I mentioned you before, I will spend my evening time in a greenish place. So I am now in that place. Whenever I feel upset, I try to come here to refresh my mind. So within a while, I will uh, show you some videos and clips of this place. I hope you will enjoy the greenish view of this place.